Hello, friends! Today we will learn about emotions. Emotions tell us how we feel. Come, let us see every emotion.
I am happy. I smile and laugh. I feel good when I play with my friends. I love happy moments.
I am sad. I feel unhappy sometimes. I feel sad when I lose my toy, but I feel better when someone hugs me.
I am shy. I smile softly. I feel shy when I meet new friends. I feel brave slowly. I am excited! My eyes shine bright! I feel excited on my birthday!
I am laughing! Ha ha ha! I laugh when I hear a funny joke. Laughing makes me happy!
I am crying. Tears come from my eyes. I cry when I get hurt.
Good job, children. These are our feelings. We feel happy when we play. We feel sad when we miss someone. We feel shy with new friends. We feel excited on birthdays. We laugh when something is funny. We cry when we are hurt. Remember, all feelings are okay.
Hello, friends. I am an alphabet O. Today you will learn about me and things start from letter O. Hello, friends. I am an octopus. O for octopus. I live in the deep blue ocean. I have 8 arms and I love to swim in water. Hello, friends. O for orange. I am sweet and juicy. I grow on trees and I am full of vitamin C.
Hello, friends. I am an ostrich. O for ostrich. I am a big bird. I cannot fly, but I can run very fast.
Hello, friends. O for onion. I grow under the ground. I am used in cooking and I add flavor to food.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new letter from the alphabet. The letter is O. Look at this picture. O for octopus. An octopus lives in the ocean. It has 8 long arms. It swims in deep blue water. Now look at this fruit. O for orange. An orange is round and juicy. It grows on trees and is good for our health. This is an ostrich. O for ostrich. It is a very big bird. It cannot fly, but it can run very fast. This is an onion. O for onion. Onion grows under the ground. We use it in cooking to add taste to our food. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am number 28. I am big and bold on your page. Today you are going to learn all about me. Now look at the 28 balls on the page.
Hello, children. We are 28 balls on the page. Look, we are green in color. Children, you can play with us while playing at home. Try to count us with help of your teacher.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new number, and that number is 28. 28 comes after 27 while we count numbers. Now look at the 28 balls. Let's count the balls, children. 1 to 28. Very good. There are 28 green balls. You can play with balls at home or school. Very good, children.
Hello, friends. I am a dog. I live in a kennel. It is my small and cozy home. Woof, woof.
Hello, friends. I am a rabbit. I live in a burrow under the ground. It keeps me safe and warm.
Hello, friends. I am a cow. I live in a shed on the farm. The shed protects me from sun and rain. Hello, friends. I am a mouse. I live in a hole. It keeps me safe from big animals.
Hello, friends. I am a spider. I live in a web. I make my own web with silk.
Hello, friends. I am a tiger. I live in a cave in the jungle. It is my strong home. Hello, friends. I am a horse. I live in a stable. It is my safe resting place.
Hello, friends. I am a pig. I live in a pigsty. I love playing in the mud. Hello, friends. I am a bee. I live in a beehive with my family. We make sweet honey. Buzz, buzz.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about animals and their homes. Children, dogs are friendly animals that humans keep as pets. A kennel is a small house made just for dogs. Children, now see this animal. It is a rabbit. Rabbits like to hop and eat grass. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Children, here we have a cow. Cows give us milk that we drink every day. A cow lives in a shed on the farm. Children, this little animal is a spider. Spiders make something very special called a web. A spider lives in its web. This is a horse. Horses are strong animals that can run very fast. A horse lives in a stable. Look at this tiny animal. It is a mouse. Mice are small and quick. A mouse lives in a hole in the wall or under the ground. Now look at this animal. It is a tiger. Tigers are wild animals that live in the jungle. A tiger lives in a cave. Here we see a pig. Pigs live on farms. A pig lives in a small house with a muddy floor where pigs play and rest. This tiny animal is a bee. Bees are very busy and make sweet honey. A bee lives in a beehive. Very good, children.
A bear and a bunny, they have plenty of money. They went to a shop to buy carrots and honey. The shopkeeper asked them, "Where is your money?" How strange and funny, they really had some money. And this is how they brought their carrots and honey. A bear and a bunny, they have plenty of money.
Hello, friends. I am a butterfly. I love colorful flowers. I fly in gardens and drink sweet nectar. Flutter, flutter.
Hi, friends. I am a grasshopper. I can jump very high. I love sitting on green grass. Hop, hop.
Hello, I am a ladybird. See my red body with black spots? I am small but very pretty. Buzz, buzz.
Hello, I am a fly. I am very quick and active. I can fly anywhere. Zoom, zoom.
Hello, I am an ant. I am very hardworking. We always work together in a team. March, march.
Hi friends, I am a spider. I spin my own web. It is my home and my trap. Crawl, crawl.
Hi, I am a bee. I collect nectar from flowers. We make sweet honey in our hive. Buzz, buzz.
Hello, friends. I am a dragonfly. I have long wings and I fly near water. I move very fast in the air. Whoosh!
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about insects. Some insects can fly and some can crawl. Look at this beautiful butterfly. It has colorful wings. Butterflies fly from flower to flower and drink nectar. This is a grasshopper. It is green in color. Grasshoppers can jump very high using their strong back legs. They usually live in grassy fields. See this small insect. It is a ladybird. It has a red body with black spots. Ladybirds are tiny but very beautiful. Now look at the mosquito. It is very small and makes a buzzing sound. Mosquitoes usually come out in the evening and at night. This is a fly. Flies move very fast and can fly anywhere. We should keep our surroundings clean to stay safe from flies. Here is a spider. A spider makes a web to catch small insects. It spins the web by itself using silk. Look at the ant. Ants are very hardworking insects. They always move in a line and carry food to their home. This is a bee. Bees collect nectar from flowers. They make sweet honey and live together in a beehive. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am number 29. I am a big and bold number. I come after 28 while we count. Now, look at the suns on the page. There are 29 suns on the page.
Hello, children. I am Sun. Look, we are 29 sun on the page. We give sunlight and help plants to grow. Try to count us with the help of your teacher.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new number and that number is 29. 29 comes after 28 while we count numbers. Now look at the 29 sun. Let's count the suns, children. 1 to 29. Very good. There are 29 suns on the page. The sun gives us sunlight and also helps plants grow. Very good, children.
Hello, friends. I am a grasshopper. I live in the green grass. I love jumping on soft leaves. Hop, hop.
Hi, friends. I am a dragonfly. I live near rivers, ponds, and lakes. I love flying over water. Whoosh, whoosh. Hello, we are mosquito and fly. We like dirty and standing water. Bzz, bzz.
Hello friends, I am a ladybird. I live on green leaves. I am small and colorful. Buzz, buzz.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we will learn about insects and where they live. Different insects live in different places around us. Look at this insect. This is a grasshopper. A grasshopper lives in the grass. It likes green fields and can jump very high. Look at this insect. This is a dragonfly. A dragonfly lives near rivers, ponds, and lakes. It flies above water. Look at these insects. These are mosquito and fly. They are usually found near standing water. We should keep our surroundings clean to stay safe. Look at this insect. This is a ladybird. A ladybird lives on green leaves. It is small and has red wings with black spots. Very good, children.
Hello, children. I am number 30. I am a big and bold number. I come after 29 when we are counting numbers. Now look at the cricket balls on the page. There are 30 balls on the page.
Hello, children. We are 30 cricket balls on the page. See, we are in red color. You can use us while you play cricket. Children, try to count us with the help of your teacher.
Hello, children. Welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new number and that number is 30. 30 comes after 29 while we count numbers. Now look at the 30 cricket balls. Let's count the 30 cricket balls on the page. Count 1 to 30. Very good. You use cricket balls while playing cricket, children. Very good, children.